Hey there, tech fans! Are you ready for an ultra-powerful laptop that's so thin and light, it'll make you wonder how something this small can pack a punch? Say hello to the GIGABYTE AERO X16 Copilot. Now, I know what you're thinking, Aero sounds fancy, but trust me, it's all about the cutting-edge tech inside. This laptop is not just any ordinary machine, it's your smart AI mate on steroids. Introducing GIGABYTE, the intelligent AI agent that comes built-in with this beast of a laptop. Think of GIGABYTE like a personal assistant, but instead of answering emails and setting reminders, it helps optimize performance based on how you use your laptop. So, what does that mean in real life? Well, when you're working on something creative or need to crunch some serious numbers, GIGABYTE is always there to adjust the system's power settings to ensure you get the best results. It's like having a super smart friend who knows exactly how to help you work smarter, not harder. But that's just the beginning. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen i9-HX370 processor, which sounds fancy, but it basically means this chip can handle some seriously heavy lifting when it comes to productivity and creativity. Imagine being able to tackle complex projects in record time. That's what this processor brings to the table. And if gaming or graphics work is your thing, you're in luck. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 laptop GPU is on board, bringing game-changing capabilities to both gamers and creators. What does that mean? Simply put, this GPU is a beast when it comes to rendering graphics at incredibly high speeds. Plus, with features like NVIDIA DLSS 4, you'll be generating stunning images in no time. Think faster than real-time rendering of your favorite games or videos. But here's the best part, not only does this laptop deliver on performance, but it also keeps things cool and quiet. The entire design is optimized to stay within those Max-Q guidelines, so you can enjoy crystal clear audio and visuals without breaking the bank. And finally, let's talk about size and weight, 16.75 millimeters thin and a mere 1.9 kilograms light. This laptop is like a feather. It might be tiny, but it packs an enormous punch when it comes to processing power. Now that we've covered all the amazing specs, I have to say, I'm genuinely excited about the GIGABYTE AERO X16 Copilot. Whether you're a professional content creator or just someone who wants a laptop that can keep up with their busy lifestyle, this is an incredible choice. Want to know more and get your hands on one of these incredible laptops for yourself? Click the link below to check out the best price and start crushing it like never before.